How to deposit checks using USAA mobile application. If you'd like to deposit checks using USAA mobile app, you may follow up these steps. So open up the USAA mobile application first and log in into your account. After you're logged in, you should be finding this particular dashboard with a deposit option in it. Find it up and tap on it. After you tap on it here, it will show you your current balance, available balance, etc. Now you just need to head over to this section and it will lead you to this section where you can deposit into bank account. So go ahead and tap on that option. And once you tap on it here, it will show you the section where you need to retake the front image and the back image of the check you're depositing. So just go ahead and click the picture like this, front and back. And once you do so, here you enter the amount that you are trying to transfer, deposit. And once you just enter, tap on done and tap on submit the check. And once it is submitted, that is how you basically set up direct deposit with USAA Bank. So therefore, if you'd also like to set up direct deposit with USAA Bank, you may follow up these steps in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.